If the OEM wheel offset isn't ideal, spacers are the solution for achieving the perfect wheel fitment. There's no need to spend money on new wheels with the right offset when spacers can get the job done. Today, we are breaking down the best Toyota wheel spacers, installation tips, and top brands to help you make an informed decision. When installed correctly, quality spacers are just as safe as low offset rims. High offset rims track the wheel into the fenders, making them look weak, but spacer can fix that. Spacers shrink the distance from the wheel center to the hub, essentially reducing the offset. Pro tips for safely torquing Tacoma spacers. Clean the wheel hub. You can use a brake cleaner to remove the rust. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Proper torque space. Reference torque is 140 Nm for M14 bolts and 130 Nm for M12 bolts. These are just a starting point. Some setups require adjustment. Retorque the wheel spacers after 50 to 100 miles. After that, check them during routine tire service. Proper torque on every bolt keeps things safe and functional. Who sells the best Tacoma spacers? BONOSS engineers have measured each Tacoma over 3,000 times and made over 100,000 drawings update. Their spacers are ultra-precise. Here's why they are forged. FT cooling Tacoma spacers stand out. FT cooling for a better experience. BONOSS Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of FT heat dissipation for the brake system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which greatly increase the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. 2. Forged aluminum for improved durability. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Full-cone seat for firm securing. Full-cone lug seat provide maximum contact with lug. This allows nuts to fasten spacers more tightly and efficiently, locking everything in place. CNC-Machined for precision installation. It is CNC-machined to a 0.02 mm tolerance and has a super smooth surface that sits flush with the hub and wheel. This precision reduces excess tire wear. BONOSS spacers offer great value with extra packs, like FT cooling, learner surface, and disassembling notches. Unlock your Tacoma full potential today with top-tier safety, durability, and quality. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.